if you want to know how to use rubber band without using pin for head wrap, let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Don't be in a hurry. I have two styles inside this video using rubber band without using pin. My people, operation do it yourself. Focus your eye on my hand and see the way I'm going to achieve these two styles. You cannot be left out. You can't continue saying you can't tie your head wrap by yourself, your gele. When you are going to church, when you are going to events, this style is very easy and is super unique and is good for all age group. Yes, you see the way I just fold it from the beginning. Now I'm not going to use rubber band to make sure it's very firm. And if you want to fold it, make sure the measurement is very important. One side will be longer than the other side. One part, the way I fold it, one side was longer than the other side. Then I now create this my front style. So the shorter part, which is the 40, because I divide it 40 60 before I create this folding. So now you will now place it on your head. I'm going to place it on my head now. Please, all I need for you, just focus your eye. If you want to bring out, you see this shorter part that I'm working on is the part I always call 40. The shorter part is the 40. The longer part is the 70. So now, if you have your head nice on your head, you don't want to open the back side. This folding I'm doing now on this part, just fold everything tiny. Then you open your back side. Me, I don't want to open my back side. Now I reserve material for the back. You see the way I reserve it. Later we are going to cover it. That place where my hand is, you cover it with pin. Okay, now my people, focus your eye. See here, this short one, see the way I'm going to place it inside. First you cross it at the back. With the short one go up. When you cross it, make sure it's very firm. Make sure it's very firm. Then you use the other hand to adjust your gele head wrap and position it proper. Make sure it's very firm. Then this short one, see the way I'm going to tuck in it. I'm going to place that short one, see, inside the long one, my people. See, open the long one, which is the 70. Put the short one inside. After you don't cross them for the back, you don't drag down where say don't tie to you. Then you can put that short part, because we are not using pin. We are not using pin. So you now put that short one inside that long one and start your twisting. The twisting, you twist it all the way around to the front side and to the other side as well. This twisting is coming from this part and go through the front side, come through the back side, and we're tucking it, my people. Yes, I will leave you for now for you to focus. Please, my people, I have many styles on my YouTube channel, Facebook, in case today is the first time you come across my video. In fact, no style I not get for my Facebook, no style I not get for my YouTube. I have two YouTube channel, I have two Facebook page. One is Dead Beauty, maybe for the watch me so. The other one is Dead Beauty Live. They always do live stream there with more explanation. But if you're in a hurry, don't come. Then I still have two YouTubers where the other one is Dead Beauty Live, where we always do live stream with explanation. My people, follow me on my live stream for more explanation, because any of my upload video, I'm always in a rush trying to explain the video before the video finish, trying to explain the gele as sorry. So my people, do you see the way I twist it from the back side? Then now I now twist everything. We are going to tuck in it inside where we started our twisting. And don't forget, when you are twisting your gele, twist it to the front side the way I do it. You see, the back is covered. We don't need pin. Everything we are using now is without pin. Okay, now I'm going to create the first style. You see, this first style, you see the way I just open it like this. You bring it to the front like this. You bring it to the front. Yes, you are done. That is it. This is the first style. So this same style, after you manage to reach this stage, is this same style you are going to turn in case you don't like this flower wey dey the front, in case you are the person that like small thing for the front. So just wash out and see the way I'm going to turn this style to another style again. My people, in case you are wondering where you are watching me from, I base in United Kingdom, London. We are into many in one beauty. In fact, we are into all beauty. Let me just say it like that. My number is always at the end part of my video. All my video, my number is always there. Contact me. You can book me for your event. I'm available to travel. We are into makeup. We do gele, different style, celebrant style. Oh my God, my people. Go and visit my Instagram, Deg Beauty. The same name, Deg Beauty. So see the second style. So visit my Instagram to see more of my job. We are into okuku as well for the Edo bride and for all tribe, Igbo bride, any tribe. Just send me the picture. I will do it for you the way you want it. We sell makeup product. We sell perfume as well. Okay, my people. I hope you focus your eye. See the way we now create the second style. In case you don't like the first style, maybe you choose the second style. In case you don't like any of this style, go to my Facebook, YouTube. I have more than 500 videos on my YouTube channel. Operation Do It Yourself. And I swear, if you want to learn how to do your makeup on your face by yourself, come to my live stream. Yes, so see you on my next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.
That beauty,
Looking good and looking nice.
that beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on
that
day.
beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they